get your act together. But also don't stress. A beautiful homemade brunch without the morning stress is always the best way to mom's heart.
That's right. Friend of the show, Ashton Keefe, is here to show us how to pull off an effortless, elevated Mother's Day spread using smart shortcuts. Welcome, Ashton. My wife.
Also,
oh,
there she is.
There she is. It's a reveal.
Also, she's about to be a mother.
Yeah.
Like any second.
We're so excited for you.
So
Oh my
well
gosh,
done on
thanks,
that.
guys. I didn't even plan it. I have no idea about the eggplant segment before. Like, I swear to God, this is all.
We're going to Hoboken after this. You and me, we're all going to get some eggplant.
I want. It looks delicious.
It is so good. It's amazing.
It really looks great.
Yes.
Let's start up and then we can chat, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
absolutely. Okay, so Mother's Day. These are all really easy recipes, but a quiche. Everybody loves quiche.
I'm gonna start beating.
You
Okay.
beat. I'm gonna add some heavy cream because this is gonna give us the lightness of. Think about it. It's whipped cream and eggs. So we're gonna whip this up, and then I'm actually gonna put it in a cake pan. So this is a store-bought.
I was
pie
going to
crust.
say, what vessel are we using?
You don't need to be a hero. We can make this the night before. Kids can do this. This is a cake pan. You're gonna get the nice height here.
Okay.
Here, you can put that in. You don't have to carry that.
I know. I'm
Vanna lighting.
Amazing. You did such a good job, by the way.
I'm waiting for Ashton's water to break. Get me hot towels.
Let's get a
the whole
bucket
thing.
and some hot
Eggplant.
towels.
But what is the reasoning behind using this that is a little bit thicker so that it
it's
has room to grow?
fancy.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
I
so
like that.
you know when you go to a restaurant and you get like a nice thick quiche and you're like, oh, this is worth the $17.
I'll slice, right.
So you know you're gonna do this at home. But I'm gonna put some sausage in here. Obviously you can do this vegetarian as well. But this is some spicy sausage. And then I'm gonna do asparagus because
Did you do anything to the
spring.
asparagus?
No, because it's gonna cook in the oven.
Oh,
Why are we
right.
overcomplicating this?
You know what? I don't like the whisk.
Why do you not
So I
like
requested
the
a fork
whisk?
because I beat eggs with a fork.
But like that's when you do one egg, not
That's a good point. This is going to be really hard.
It's like 12 eggs.
You're gonna be there all day.
And then goat cheese and salt. So same idea. And then you can just pour that right into here.
You put the guts in first,
I put
and
the
then
guts in
the
first,
egg
and then the
over
egg. Yes.
top.
Yeah.
And store-bought. Don't be ridiculous.
Store-bought.
Yeah.
I mean, you can make it. Like, we can provide a recipe for that,
Sure.
but you don't need to.
I mean, you're about to give birth. I'm lazy, and here we are.
You're
said
not
goat-
lazy.
goat
You're a
cheese.
phenomenal cook.
He's trying to
I'm gonna
beat
tell you.
12
I
dozen
have
eggs with the
destroyed this.
tiniest fork in the history of tiniest forks.
My wife doesn't let me make breakfast anymore for Mother's Day.
We know
Because it takes
why.
forever.
I know, this is so. But I did a good job. Like, it worked.
Yeah, you
use-
said
It worked.
amazing.
It
You
finally
use
worked.
goat cheese?
Goat cheese.
Can you use any cheese?
Any cheese, but I like goat cheese with eggs. It's nice and
It's nice and-
soft
yeah, it's a
and
little
like
tangy.
Gruyere also works really well. You can pour that in here.
I'm
Pour it in.
Okay, well theoretically you pour that in there.
Should we pour it in?
Dale.
Yeah, go for it. Why
Okay.
not?
We're gonna put this in the oven.
Yes, we are.
I gotta go have the baby.
I know, we got things to do.
Actually, here is a question.
Yes.
How far in advance can you make this quiche?
Good
A couple
question.
days even.
And then just put it in the
Yes.
refrigerator.
And you can eat this
Gotta hide it,
cold
though.
or room temperature or hot, whatever you want, and it can sit out and it's very.
And it does its thing.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And
All
it's
right.
filling, and hopefully the kids will love it.
Yes.
Pop it in the oven, 350?
Yeah, 350 for about 30 minutes.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Got that? Taking it? Because you're just going to take this whole thing home
Right, I'm
with
just
you.
going to
What else do we have to go with our OIC fennel?
Yeah, so we're doing a salad. Okay, so same idea here. This can be made ahead. So I like doing a salad, and here I'm going to employ you guys
Thank
for
you.
this. I like doing a salad and a dressing at the same time. Some fennel.
In.
We've got some celery here, and those can get tossed together.
Oh my gosh, and the glass broke.
You can also do like a
fennel
homemade
and
coleslaw or a store-bought coleslaw mix. Walnuts.
Nice. I love the crunch. This
And
is
then
awesome.
we've got some cubed pecorino cheese.
Wow. Okay.
A little bit of a variety. And then, Ben, if you want to just do some salt and olive
sorry.
oil, it doesn't matter, either one. And then you can toss it all together. I've got a little vinegar here.
Just distilled?
Yeah.
Champagne?
So you don't,
Champagne,
you don't mix olive oil
Yeah.
and vinegar together. You do it on the salad itself.
Do it on the salad
I mean,
itself.
this is the simplest thing. If you at home can't do this for the mom in your life, don't ever speak to me.
It's so easy, and it goes
This
well
is like
with the quiche.
3 minutes
and
less.
this can sit too. Also, so it's one of those
Marinate
things where
a
you
little
can make it ahead of time, and then again, if you have some extra asparagus, maybe just throw that in there with the goat cheese, and then it all
Put
comes
it in
together.
and then you put it in the quiche, and it's perfect.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
amazing.
Awesome.
This is great.
With a glass of a crisp white,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
you're done.
Guys, you can't do Mother's Day without Chardonnay.
Mm-hmm.
Chardonnay and my mother are synonymous. I'm not even joking. That's actually true.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is bread and butter Chardonnay from California, $16. and female winemaker, Linda Trotta, and she said any wine that you like is a good wine.
Thank you.
I love that
I
philosophy.
think,
It's a nice
like,
philosophy.
buy mom what she likes this year.
Right.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
And I could
like
really
what we
use
did.
one as
Yes,
well.
you will. You'll get it. Don't
Nobody
worry.
can use a glass of wine.
Not too
Don't
far.
You worry.
It's
Thank
coming.
you so much.
Thank you.
you.
Great
We
job.
Love you.
That's
We
awesome.
adore you.
Love you
We're
guys
so
too.
excited for
Appreciate
you.
it.
You and the baby are welcome when when
will.
this all happens.
Thank you.
We're gonna be on bump watch.
Yeah.
Okay, I will.
And I'm lactating, so anytime you need help.
Good Lord have mercy. We gotta go over there.